Good morning, everyone. Nagising ako kasi ihi ako. It's 7:10 in the morning. Kaya palang lamig-lamig when I see in the window. Pagtingin ko, there's a snow. This is my first snow here in Netherlands. I'll show you. My snow. 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 Oh, lamig ng hangin. Ito yung likod. Tignan natin sa harap. Kung mas marami sa harap. Ito yung harap ng bahay. So ang lamig ng hangin. Snow. My first snow here. Ang lamig. Naririnig niyo po yung hangin. Ang lamig. It's my first snow.